Hey everyone, we are in Scotland and the first stop is Glen Henig, which I believe is also referred to as Devil's Pulpit. Let's go and check it out. Looking pretty good so far. The gorge is quite deep and fairly narrow. I think you can get down there a little bit further down the trail, which we're going to try to do. Pull the drone out, but it's tricky to fly it. It's very tight, and the further down you get, the stronger the sort of wind current is, and it just moves the drone about a bit. It starts to shake and you're like, oh, I don't want to crash. Yeah, looking pretty epic. Would have been nice to have some like golden light coming through, but yeah, today light's not gonna happen. Wow, this place is really impressive, and it's only half an hour's drive from Glasgow, so if you're in the area, highly recommend it. Check this place out, it's absolutely amazing. We're down in the gorge now, and yeah, awesome. The way down's a bit sketchy. You come down there-ish, yeah. But the thing is, the actual steps that they've laid out, yeah, they're gone. If you have some sort of mobility, if you're struggling to get down tricky parts, if you don't really like scrambling, I think you'll struggle there. But yeah, Now's the time to take some photographs. Callum's over there armed with his iPhone. Joe's setting up a composition over here. And soon I'll be setting mine up. The place is awesome. And by the way, the colours, that's actually what it's like. It's just red. And we've come up. To be fair, going up that patchy staircase is actually easier than going down it. But yeah, it's a very popular place with photographers. I'd say within 5 minutes of us getting there, there were another 5. Yeah, epic place. If you follow the trail round, it takes you down at the end of it essentially, and you come down and it curves around and you're at the bottom of it again. So yeah, if you don't really fancy the steps, don't worry, because you can still come down. You just follow the trail further around, bends down, and you're at the bottom. And you're there. Okay, so that's that done. It's not a massive place, so there's not tons of walking to be done. But in terms of photo opportunities, there's a lot. The only thing I would say is bring wellies. It's going to make your life a lot easier. Now we're going to jump back in the car and we're off to a similar place called Puck's Glen, a little bit further north. Let's go. We're at Puck's Glen. The place looks absolutely amazing. Massive trees, proper forest. And to start the trek off, we saw a red squirrel right next to the car park. And these guys are really excited. Nearly caught him slide on a camera. This place is so cool. You just can't get the sense of the scale on the video, I don't think, but you just walk amongst these massive old trees and there's just so much interesting stuff. Like back there was a rhododendron just growing on top of a tree. And the best thing is, it's only us, there's no one around. And down we go. Ooh, what a place. Absolutely amazing. It's awesome. I know I keep saying that, but it honestly is. I've just taken a couple of shots by the bridges, but I couldn't really take any B-roll because it's getting a little bit late, as you can probably tell by the light levels, and the other two decided to just crack on, so I'm having to now catch up. So yeah, limited, but this is awesome. I mean, look at this. Yeah, could easily come here and just spend hours. You could easily spend a whole day just with a tripod, some filters, and just take some awesome shots. And we're out of the gorge now, and yeah, walking back to the car now. What a place! If you're into photography, definitely go. Definitely go. The only thing I would say is you'll be walking through there, you'll take a photograph, you'll set up your tripod, you'll take an image, and then you'll want to move on. And if you've got friends, now our friends quite understanding, if you've got friends who are going to be with you that aren't really into photography, they may be getting a little bit annoyed just because you'll take your image, move 20 feet, and then you want to take another one, and then you'll move 20 feet, and then you want to take another one. This is a entire day kind of place. So yeah, obviously we're here on a bit of a rush, didn't know what to expect, but it's truly epic. So yeah, try to put aside a full day because it's worth it. Right, I think I'm gonna finish it over here, and I think there's gonna be some more Scotland content coming up. I'm not gonna give too much away, but yeah, we'll leave it here. See ya!